stories that link my name with yours.
Why do the neighbors chatter all day behind their doors?
I know a way to prove what they say is quite untrue. Here is the gist, a practical list of don'ts for you. Don't throw bouquets at me. Don't please my folks too much. Don't laugh at my jokes too much. People will say we're in love. Don't sigh and gaze at me. Your sighs are so like mine. Your eyes mustn't glow like mine. People will say we're in love. Don't start collecting things. Give me my rose and my glove. Sweetheart, they're suspecting things. People will say we're in love.
Don't praise my charm too much. Don't look so vain at me. Don't stand in the rain with me. People will say we're in love. Don't take my arm too much. Don't leave your hand in mine. Your hand looks so grand in mine. People will say we're in love. Don't start a fight with me till the stars fade from above. They'll see